cat was in danger. She was trapped in a canal with no way out. A few people stopped, wondering how to help, but one man didn't wait. Without a second thought, he went straight in. One wrong move, and the cat could panic, but he stayed calm. A life saved just like that. Not all heroes wear capes. Some just act when it matters most. Would you do the same? Drop a heart for this real-life hero.
跌咗落去啦，肯定係爬。
等一下你唔得啦，你等咁坐咯，
移翻過去，移翻過去，係啦係啦，人個人移翻過去。
唔係要綁住呢條頸，唔好嗰啲綁，唔好綁佢。捧呢次仲想去啦，想去嗱，隻傻㗎，係啦，驚啊，唔驚，係啦，佢自己爬上，係佢自己爬識爬㗎，唔敢㗎，佢驚㗎，上到嗰度，上到嗰度，係啊，有人拉住佢㗎，揾人嚟接佢啦，係啊，係啊，揾人接佢，佢唔肯坐個桶啊，企住就死。 企行啲，啊，快走一走，執生，你個跌咯，都跌落嚟啊！拗，快走啊！乖啦，爬上去啦，爬上去啦，係啦，爬上去得啦。爬公路出嚟，燒翻㗎。係啦，快睇睇，睇睇。